everyone. So does this look familiar? In my car haul heritage shirt. Yeah, it's not a Gordman's haul though. Shocking, I know. I'm on my lunch break and I decided to go to Target because it's right across the street from my work, and Target, I just wanted to show you guys what I got since I haven't really filmed any beauty related videos in a while, and Target haul, why not? Plug my car in. Open my sunroof. It's kind of hot. Oh, that's bright. Okay, anyway. So, from Target, I originally went there because I needed some mascara. So I got some mascara. Now, mascara is a really, really difficult thing for me to pick out because I like so many of them, and I'm a huge mascara person, and I really like testing out different mascaras and new mascaras and trying new mascaras. And I needed a volumizing one because I still have my lash stiletto. This just isn't working. I still have my lash stiletto, so I got this one, which is the Voluminous Million Lashes XS, which is new. So I haven't tried it yet, but I will be sure to do a review on it if I like it, because, yeah. And then I went by the e.l.f. display because I also needed new eyeliner, and I love the liquid eyeliner. So then they had their Christmas display up. I got the 3-pack because it's only $3. Look at all the cute glittery packaging. I love their little holiday packaging this year. But it comes with 2 liquid eyeliners. You get the black one and the brown one, and then the e.l.f. Shimmer Eyeliner Pencil. I don't know that I'll use the shimmer eyeliner pencil, and if I don't, I'll probably give it to my mom because she likes shimmer eyeliner. But I'm definitely going to use the brown and the black. And then, so the mascara was $7.99. The e.l.f. thing was $3. Not $3.99, $3. And then I got these Exhilaration leggings because I needed some new leggings, and if they don't fit, I'll take them back. If I don't like them, I'll take them back. I just figured I'd try them because they had my size, and why not? And then I got these cute little winter socks. They have cute little polar bears on them. I have a bunch of socks from here because they're $1.50 a pair. And, you know, if one of them gets a hole, you can just mix and match them, because now that's the thing, is mixing and matching your socks. And I'm totally filming in my car, and there's people all over, and it's great. It's just great. But anyway, so I got these because I think they're cute. And then we needed some new ice trays at home, and we have like these rubbery ones that have skulls, and then we have pumpkins, and then our plastic ones got broken. So for $1, I got an ice cube tray that has trees and snowflakes, because these are a lot bigger than the pumpkins. The pumpkins are like this big, and so are the skulls. So I got these ones because it's $1. And then, whoa, maybe can't open this now. I got a Pepsi because I wanted some Pepsi. But yeah, I don't know why I filmed that so fast, but those are my goodies from Target, my goodies. And I spent a total of $27.06 because the leggings were $10, the socks were $1.50, my Pepsi was $1.59, my mascara was $7.99, my eyeliner was $3, and then the ice tray was $1. So you kind of can't go wrong with all of those purchases that I made, and it's, you know, I haven't done anything worth a haul in a long time because I haven't had money, because I haven't had a job, and I need to do an update vlog obviously. But yeah, so that's my not Gordman's car haul, because that's the first I haven't done a Target car haul. But yeah, because I obviously had a problem with Gordman's back then. In a heritage shirt, but my hair, everything, if you just, because I'm remembering those videos, and everything about what's going on right now in this video looks so much better than everything that was going on in that